this is a nail biter. That was like a cliffhanger, right? So for this problem, we went backwards 6 because it was a -6, and now we're going to go up 2, 1, 2, and where we land, there we are at -3. -3 is our answer. So again, the number line tells us the directions. The first number, we start at 0, and then we do whatever the first number says. So in this problem, the first number said -6, so we went in the negative direction, 6. And then the second number said +2, so we went in the positive direction, 2 spots. I made a mistake when we started these notes. I said they were note 7. We already did note 7. These are actually notes 8. So I'm going to know if you're watching my part 2 based on if you change your notes number. So again, these are notes 8. I made a mistake. Let's talk about some rules. In class on Tuesday, I'm going to show you this amazing rap video by a musician named MC Santee. He kind of summarizes these rules, but I'll tell you the rules as well. If the signs are the same, excuse me, if the signs are the same, you're going to add the numbers together, and then you're going to keep the sign that they both have. For example, -3 plus -4. This is the problem from the beginning when we did our number chips. These two numbers have the same sign. Same signs, we're going to add them. 3 plus 4 is 7, and we keep the sign. Since these are both negative, the answer is -7. Okay? So same signs, we add the numbers, and we keep, they're both negative, the answer is negative. If the signs are different to start, we're going to subtract. And we're going to keep the sign of the larger digit. Now, I can't say the larger number because negative numbers are always smaller than positive numbers. But sometimes if the absolute value of the negative is bigger, then the answer would still say negative. Okay, let me show you an example. If we do 6 plus -7, these signs are different. What I mean by different is one is positive and one is negative. They're not both the same thing. So they're different, which means I'm going to subtract the numbers. You can subtract it in either order. So I'm going to do 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And then we take the sign of the larger digit. This -7 is bigger, like 7 is bigger than 6. So this answer is negative because that was a negative number. If we think about our number chips, the bigger number is always going to be the one with the leftovers. And so that's why we're going to take the sign of the larger digit, because the number chips, the ones that are left over after you cancel the 0 pairs, tell us the sign of the answer. All right, I think that's all. Have a good night.